Astronomers had long ago suspected the collisions between black hole and dead star, but they had no solid evidence until a recent pair of detections. Hello guys, my name is Furkan Amjad and you are watching Universalistic TV. In today's video, we shall be talking about the neutron star and black hole collision. On January 2020, astronomers for the first time observed black holes swallowing a dead star. Then 10 days later, they saw the same stuff happening again in different sectors of our galaxy. Astronomers had suspected that pairing of black holes and neutron stars did exist, but until and unless they saw these collisions, these theories were not confirmed. For more than 20 years, LIGO, which is Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, has been searching for these things. Back in 2015, the LIGO observed a wave generated by the collision of two black holes. 2 years later, they detected the collision of two neutron stars. So this gave an idea to astronomers who expected a neutron star orbiting a black hole. But never before the neutron star system was recognized. Why was it so? Well, the answer might be that the techniques might not be right, or the pair might merge quickly and there's no more left in our galaxy. Other than that, in 2019, two gravitational waves had appeared. One of them, they believe, was a random and meaningless giggles. The second detection remained puzzling. The larger object was a black hole, but the smaller object was 2.6 times the mass of the Sun. That is much larger than a neutron star they had detected. The new gravitational wave observation finally proved without doubt that these pairs exist. The first detection occurred on January 5, 2020. This finally proved the theory what we know as black hole and neutron star collision. The black hole was about 9 times the mass of the Sun. The neutron star was smaller but was still about twice the mass of the star that orbit our galaxy. The collision occurred at a distance of about 900 million light years from the Earth. Then again on January 15, 2020, a collision was detected, but this time the neutron star was 1.5 times the mass of the Sun. Other than that, scientists were also able to prove that black holes were big enough to easily swallow the neutron stars. Finally, another scientist said that upcoming years astronomers may be detecting gravitational wave events, including much fainter ones. So that's up for now guys. I hope you liked the video. So before ending, please do like, subscribe and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.